organizations ने मिलके हमने एक adult vaccination का schedule किया and we went to the government से बात कर रहे हैं हम committees पे है various committees पे है तो उसकी actually उसका result है जो निर्मला सीतारामन ने बताया because the organizations have been talking to the health department कि बाबा ये prevent हो सकता है ये कर सकते हैं they were of course looking at all the logistics how effective it is फिर WHO ने जब उनके इसमें डाल दिया कि ये वैक्सीन लेनी चाहिए क्योंकि ये disease prevent हो सकता है तो then the government and our organizations went to them and have convinced them and not only HPV vaccine बहुत सारे like anemia के लिए testing करो 50% लड़कियों में anemia है whether you are educated or not educated so ये health checkup जो आप बताए कि it is very very important कि anemia check करो then there is another test called fertility test which we do you know कि बहुत because of the environment जो बात कर रहे हैं you know the pollution the endocrine disruptors हम plastic में पानी पी रहे हैं तो fertility कम होती जा रही है तो I think there are so many aspects जो हम government के committees में होके we are bringing about the change in policies because हम करें तो सिर्फ मेरे यहाँ में 2 लाख लड़कियों को हमने टेस्ट किया था but when the government does it it's like a titanic wave so definitely we are in talks with the government we are getting them to see our point of view the health point of view and what is good for the population and that's why we started these universal health centers you know where it will be holistic care you will get information counseling about everything and we are doing it with the you know vaccination.
Ma'am, this is Vishwanath from here, from Economic Times. Just want to ask you, like, I know that HPV and beat influenza for adults, like, is the cost being little bit of a problem because a lot of people know the benefit, but given that this vaccine are given to the perfectly healthy people, I mean, motivating them to get a vaccine itself is a very difficult thing. And adding to that, the price, is that a barrier? Like, how do you address this problem?
So my answer to this is, my answer is, what is the cost of life? Can anyone tell us? Health की क्या cost है? जिंदगी की क्या cost है? If you are going to say that a vaccine will cost a few thousand rupees is going to save a life, how can you ever question the benefit of that particular intervention, whatever it may be, चाहे vaccine है, चाहे कुछ procedure है, चाहे screening test है. So, I mean, that is how you have to approach the people. कि बाबा तुम suspicious मत करो कि वो company पैसा बना रही है, doctor पैसा बना रहे हैं. At the end of the day, you are the beneficiary. कल जब भी हो जाता है cancer, everybody has seen somebody suffering from cancer in their family or their friends, and you know what they have to go through: physical, mental torture and cost. So in fact, vaccine is the best investment. It is the most economical. It is the most, makes maximum sense to invest in vaccination to prevent high cost in the future. So that is how you have to explain to people who are basically suspicious in their mind about the good advice that is being offered to them.
And we have all seen this during the COVID era, isn't it? When there was no oxygen and there were people dying left, right, center. We all prayed, oh, मेरे को कब मिलने वाला है vaccine, isn't it? And we have all gone through it. So then when we were talking about COVID, because that was an instant, everyone died. But are you sure? I mean, it was well said in one of the article that a whole jet plane crashing that happens every day for women who die because daily 200 women are dying due to cervical cancer. I mean, you just can't equate this preventive part.
In my experience of as a gynecologist and obstetrician, in the past, people used to have 2 to 3 children. Before that, as Rishma has pointed out, 8 to 10 children during the grandparents' time. And then, 2 to 3 children. And now, only 1 child. So I always say the one child becomes very, very, stubborn in their life. They want to do whatever they want to do. So it is better to have a company of the second child. So they can share, they can fight, they can learn during childhood. But you know what? They said, okay, doctor, I cannot afford the school fees because they want to keep the child in the best school. They want to give best to the child. So when you are thinking of giving a best to the child, why not to think about yourself? For few thousand rupees, or you should take because you are doing everything for your child. So if you are not healthy, how you are going to look after your child and the family? So you should spend on yourself few thousand rupees for preventing certain diseases.
Can I just say
Yeah, please,
something?
sir.
I think your question is very relevant. हमारे देश में, I think majority of the people don't even have food to eat. Okay, that is what you're talking about. So this is what I feel is the government should actually come forward, because I think it is a fantastic program and the government takes efforts to do it. I think we need to push it, MSD needs to push it so that the government can, get a deal from them, and they are given by the government at a very subsidized or no cost or whatever. Gujarat is giving HPV vaccine to its girls. Health is a state subject. Gujarat, Rajasthan are two states which are giving. So I think the other states need to take examples from them and do so. So yes, those who can afford it, I totally agree with them that they should think life has no cost. But those who can't afford it, which is majority of our population, we need to work, we need to create a voice so that the government will come, will look at us, and then will be motivated to give this vaccine to all the girls who cannot afford it. I think that will be the way to go forward.
And again, when we are talking about government, आप लोग को आश्चर्य होगा to understand this, or I think you must be knowing this also. NHS UK, how did they build up? How did they get their statistics of cervical cancer to that low level? Was उनका जो आधार कार्ड है, whatever is a unique identity, UI